Back at it. Yesterday was a short one and got just the basics of background music working. Here's that as an example. Again, once it plays, you should be able to hear the background music of the game. It's pretty damn loud, actually. Let me do something about that. I will do that. I don't know, what is this on a scale of 0 to 1? 0 to 1. So yeah, 0.5. Because that was loud. Okay. Cool, that's still pretty damn loud. Okay. So now to decide what to work on today. I can do some more stuff with the background music, like loading a new song. Oh, I know what I can add that I never had before. When it comes to this, there is the game over screen. That's what I was thinking about. For when you lose. Although, I guess that'd be like a game over for the level, right? So, replay level versus quit. Something like that. I think that's good enough. Am I really gonna have like a full game over? Probably not. Probably not. We'll see. So not gonna work on that right now. I guess I could also work on sound effects. What's another thing? I will do sound effects at one point. This UI junk. No. Switching levels is a possibility. Enemy ship pilots. So let me break out. It's almost like nothing that's solely before the first boss. That's after the first boss. None of this stuff is after the first boss, I think. Oh, except for the background ships. Background robot, right? So that for sure I can put like World 2 only. I guess the credits when you beat it. Zoom in, power up robot. No, title screen, game over screen, USB input, cruiser, switching levels. Do gotta do that. Preventing enemy ships from being active until they enter the area. seems kind of important, kind of something I'm putting off, and yeah, it's more of like a level design specific thing. It's kind of part of this player health UI, jetpack fuel. Let's see. Would be easy to do. All right, yeah, let's just get it out of the way, and then I can also get. There's that other UI stuff that I was talking about. Ship power ups and gun level. So I could probably do all of that in one go. Let me try to get all of this done. Cool. Okay, so player ship health has to do with the ship. What I'm thinking is the health always represents the player's current ship's health. Yeah, so let's do it that way. So they do have health, right? Because, or is it just hits? Can have player. Okay, so it's indestructible. Right, that's all indestructible now. Health, right? Okay. So then I probably should make that be a thing on the health screen. Okay, so let's create the object itself. I'll get rid of the proximity mine thing. Kind of unnecessary. All these ships, let's get rid of these. Actually, nah, screw it, I'll leave them. So I gotta test getting hit by stuff, huh? Alright, so this is gonna be UI or HUD. And then here I'm gonna have not a UI object, this is just gonna be a sprite. So this will be the health bar, and it will have two objects inside of it, I think. One is going to be the background. Okay, so add component, sprite renderer. Do I have that stuff? I don't think I have that stuff. So let's do HUD stuff. Not this folder, not that folder. Where's my folder? Huh. Where is astronaut? Oh yeah, okay. So go to folder. Can I do that? Open file location. There we go. Art. Here we go. Okay. So, all right, HUD. There it is. Okay, so health bar outer, fuel icon, health icon, power icon. These are all really lame. I'll grab the message box too. I don't need the buttons. Is that it? Oh, there's faces also. It's not really. Just not get faces right now. Let's see. Just HUD stuff. Health bar red to yellow. Health bar outer. Health bar red to yellow was... Health bar red to yellow was the power up, was your power up meter. Health bar red is just your health bar. And then the fuel icon, I feel like that was implemented, and I just don't remember. Maybe it was just a white bar. I'll start with something simple then. So background is going to have this health bar outer sprite. Wow, it's pretty damn big. Let's bring it to the UI, and it's going to be on 0. Yeah, that's way too big. Okay, so let's add another thing. That is going to be the health icon. This is the health icon? Interesting. It's also going to be on UI. So all of these are too big, first of all. So I don't know whether to scale them here or in the game. Their sizing is kind of correct relative to themselves. Just seems so gigantic. I'll do like 0.5 or something. That's kind of better. Yeah. What is up with this Z location thing? There. Somewhere around, they should have the same, let's say 3, right? So this one should also be a 3. Right. All right. And then I'll put in a little health bar, red, and UI 1. And if for some reason it's way up there, down there, 0.5, 0.5. And the idea is that there. It's just smaller than the background. Cool. And I'll have to put some kind of a, oh, can I put a sort point? That's interesting. No, there's a way to do the, is there not? Like the sprite editor, I can anchor it to the left or something. Yeah, there we go. So then bar, and then this guy will be here. Like that. And then, so I'll have like an initial scale, and then I'll just scale it, right, based on how much health is remaining. Like that. Okay. If that's the case, then I need to know what the starting health was. Constructible. Something like that. Can't do that. Non-static. Okay, fine. Can I do one of these things? No, can't do that either. Also, that would lose the, probably lose the serialization. I don't know. So I guess I'll just do it in start. And then I'll have to create a new script for the HUD. Will it be the HUD or will it be for the health bar itself? I could probably just make it for the HUD. Yeah, let's do that. I don't want to make a bunch of scripts. HUD. So the only thing I really need from this is, let's see, I want the health bar, so health transform, or I don't know, I'll just get the whole game object, health bar, it's like transform find health bar, find bar. So that's the actual object that I want. That game object, and health bar initial scale x, health bar transform dot local scale dot x, and then if level instance player current ship. So if the player is in a ship, then I'm gonna get that ship's destructible. This seems like it would be bad, but whatever, it'll work. Player, ship, components, destructible like so, and then float health ratio equals d dot health divided by d starting health, and health bar ratio it's going to be the health bar initial scale multiplied by the health ratio. So 0.5 is the max, so it's 0.5 multiplied by something. What in the hell? Unassigned use health bar ratio? Oh, health ratio. Like that. And then I will just set that. So health bar, transform by local scale. 2, let's do that. Health, no, let's do that. 3, health bar, transform by local scale by x, health bar, transform by local scale by y, and z, and this is actually not this, this is health bar ratio, right? Or I guess scale. that should probably always work. I don't know. Missing a semicolon. Oops. So then losing health, let's see. No, nothing's happening there. Even though, oh, okay, let's see. Health bar, find bar, so that's transform.find health bar. Oh, health bar. Inconsistencies in naming. So this might actually be working. Come on, users. Wow. Okay, is health an int? I think it is. So, like so. There we go. That looks about right. Let's just make sure it's accurate. Yep, cool. Let's see, that works. Then good. What was wrong with it? Something was wrong. Oh, right, it wasn't moving. So the health bar is in a static position. So I can attach it directly to the camera, and then it'll move with the camera. And I feel like that's probably a fine idea, right? So now the HUD is inside the camera. Doesn't really matter. Oh, this is annoying. I kind of want this to be on 0. Right, and then these guys come over here. And I have to move them over here. Where's the guy? Why can I not see it in the game view? Is it like too close to the camera now? I can't see the white either. Let's try it. It's possible. Yeah, okay, that's what it was. It's too close to the camera. Nice, and now it moves with me. And we're good. It does look a little weird because of, I guess, the sizing. Looks better when it's bigger. That's what she said. Right, so annoying UI nonsense, getting that stuff out of the way. Alright, so the other UI element that I can add is the power up. And then there's supposedly this jetpack meter, which I don't remember how exactly it worked. So let's see. Power up bar. Power up bar initial scale X. So very similar. Power up bar. Power up initial scale. Power up bar. Power up bar. So what I can do is just replace all the icons with different things. Duplicate that. Call power up bar. The icon. Right, let's just rename that. Let's be a little more consistent. Right, the icon is going to be a different sprite. It's going to be this power up icon. And the background is going to be the same, and the bar is going to be this red to yellow. I think that's how that one goes. Or yellow to red. Nah, red to yellow. And then I'll do the same thing with the pivot point on the left. Cool, and now that's all set up. So now I can just take this guy and where's my transform? Where's the trend? Oh, damn it. Oh, just move all these guys, right? Okay, that's fine. How's that? Yeah, it's pretty cool. However, this one will work a little differently. This one will be, so I'll have to add that, right? So I guess that's in player, power up, shoot strength. Okay. Gun, active gun. I'll go ahead and say shift level, max shift level. Shift level max. 5 and or just 3 for now, and we'll start off at 1, something like that. And what will happen every time I destroy something? Right, so if one of my bullets, this thing's public. That's not how that works actually. So like, okay, that's the level, but I need float power up amount 0. And that'll be like a 0 to 1 thing, and it will be some calculation based on my level. That will be, I will gain some amount based on my current level every time I destroy something. So let's do that. Let's find a way to do that. Shoot, right? Gain power up points. I don't know. So what I can do is say power up amount plus equals amount to gain 0, something to do with my level, so it like divides by my level. I can do that very easily, right? So it's like 0.1, that would be like 10 ships destroyed. Do different ships give me different levels of strength? I don't know. And then this would just be divided by level, power up level. What is it? What did I call it? Ship level. There we go. So level 2 would take 20 hits, and level 3 would take 30 hits. Right? I guess that's fine. Yeah. And then the plus equals that amount to gain. And if power up amount is greater than or equal to 1.0, then I'm going to let's see, if ship level is less than ship level max, then I'll go ahead and upgrade the ship level and set power up amount, or I guess, then I can upgrade the ship level. Now if I'm at the max, yeah, so if my new one is at max, if ship level is the max, then power up amount equals 1.0. Otherwise, it equals whatever was left over. So power up amount minus 1.0. So if I went over by, even though this whole 0.1 thing every time would probably never allow me to go over. At least I don't think so. It would have to be like a weird amount, like 0.11, and then it would go over. Okay. So that'll probably be 0 in most cases. So now the destructible, if it's, so if I'm a ship and the player's in this ship, and destructible, and like the destructible type, the other, this is if they collide, this is the bullets. If type is enemy, okay, damage, hit, so if it's this scenario, right? Then, or I guess no, actually only if I'm destroyed. Can I know if I died off the hit? I can know if the hit killed me. Right, die, we'll do that. And that way I'll return false. And otherwise I'll just return true. And the return will just be whether or not I'm still alive. So b.hit, what is this? Collision.gameObject, bullet getting hit, something like that. And then hit, alive is that, and not alive. Then level manager, instance player gain power up amount. Right, now in HUD, I don't need the destructible, I just need the player's power up amount. The player's power up amount. Yeah, because it'll be a 0 to 1 ratio, right? So ship level ratio, ship level amount, level power up amount. This is okay. I don't need a variable for this. Power up bar scale equals power up bar initial scale multiplied by that 0 to 1 amount, which is level manager instance player power up amount. So power up bar dot transform dot with scale to 3. Copy that. Power up bar scale. Should probably have tested it with larger numbers so that it would go up faster. So it is 0, and now, oh, there it is up a little bit. So it's doing pretty well. Nice. All right, let's test it with much bigger numbers. Where was that gain power amount? So I'm gonna do something like 1. So that I need 1 ship, and then I need 2 ships, and then I need 3 ships to get to level 3. Wait, so I start off at level 1. And then I need 2 more to get to level 3. And then that's the max, right? One, 2, 3, and then that's it. And it stays at the maximum level. Yeah, so that's all working correctly. That's all working correctly. Do I have like sound effects for that? Oh, also it's supposed to do like the power up thing. Yeah, like ++ level manager dot show display. What the hell did I call it? Well, instance dot power special text power up. Why are they both called the same? Oh, one's the method. Special text power up. And so that'll flash on the screen. And then I have to do the guns. So let's do like a void setup guns. And guns, I guess we'll have a power up level. Yeah, I'll go with that. Public int ship level required, just level 1 by default, and then I'll come over here. This is exactly what I did in the tutorial video that I did for power-ups, or I guess ship gun power-ups, bullet power-ups, whatever you want to call it. So come back to player here. Right, so for each gun in, assuming that I have a ship active, right? Okay, so this is not, yeah, landed ship is going to do setup guns, but also this is going to do setup guns. Okay, that's fine. So what's the deal? Activate them versus not? Yeah, something like that. Okay. So I'll actually do like this, int level, right? And then I'll jump over to the ship and it'll happen here. Set up sprite. It's not set up sprite, set up sprite. Set up guns. I have guns, right? I have a list of guns. No? Where's my gun array? Do I not have a guns array? Shoot, shooter. It's part of shooter. Nice, okay. Shooter, guns, auto shoot, got it, okay. Set up guns, for each gun and guns. I'll also re-grab all the guns, I guess. And then I'll just call setup guns here. Setup guns like so. And then when I shoot, I'll also do the whole if g dot is active and enabled. Has the behavior had active and enabled called. Enabled. Then run shoot on it. Here, if g dot level ship level required is less than or equal to the level, then g dot label is true, else g dot label is false. Is that good enough? Probably. That's going to go over all of them. Okay, that's cool. I'm pretty much happy with that. We're get a message back. All right. And then it'll set up guns. What's wrong with this? Oh, to level 1, right? Do by default. Set up guns 1. And then in player, I have to call setup guns now that the ship level has increased. So ship current. I have to be in a ship. The current ship. So then current ship, I'll get the shooter if it has a shooter. Shooter equals current ship dot get shooter, and if shooter. So I want to know that. So if the shooter exists, then I'm allowed to level up. And then shooter dot set up guns. What? Set up guns. Set up guns to my new ship level. Nice. Then, what's the next step? That's pretty much it. Also, I have to do this every time I land in a ship, right? Now their guns will be set up. Yeah, their guns will just be set up. So now that implies that my gun level, no matter which ship I'm in, will be the same. It's something that the player has for some reason. It's kind of interesting. So the ships don't individually carry their own levels. So if I get to level 3 in one ship, I jump in another ship. That ship also has level 3 now. That's fine, I guess. I don't really care. Okay. We'll see how that plays out. So then I guess I should add more guns. How did I do this last time? See, last time I did it differently, but so what I can actually say is, you know what, I'll do it a little different. So I won't activate any gun. I'll just activate strictly those guns that are for that level. And I'll just reconfigure the guns for every level. And that should be easy enough, right? So I have gun 1, right? And it's level requirement of 1. So let me just make sure that that works by itself. And actually, I should level up and my gun should stop working because it should get disabled. Okay, that's good. Power up. Alright, and my gun is gone. Alright, because I come here and it's disabled. So I can't shoot anymore. Good. So now I need some level 2 guns. Okay, so this is gun 1. Let's do gun L1. Or gun 2. 1. Yeah, I'll do it that way. Gun 1, 1, gun 2, 1, gun 2, 2. Right, so I didn't even get it farther than having 2 levels of guns when I first made this game. Let's zoom in here, see what this should be. Alright, so this one's going to be a little split up so that this one is kind of up here and this one is kind of down here. Right, so if this one is at 0.0062, .005 and .0013, so that kind of like doubled. What is the difference? That's like 0.6000. I just set this one to 0 exactly then. And that should be roughly the same distance. Oh, right. Probably should make them level 2 instead of level 1. Right. And then I will be able to shoot 2 bullets. Power up. Alright. Power up. And now I have nothing else. Okay, so let's do a level 3 then. Man, that's kind of really invasive. So these things have a special text, right? Stays on the screen for 2 seconds. Is that what this is? I don't know, the lerping thing is like whatever. So lifetime, I should just change to like 1 second. 2 seconds is like a long time for some reason. I should also change it to be a little bit more transparent, but where are those things? That's in prefabs, right? Lifetime 3, right? Okay, so that's why it takes so long to go away. 1, flash color, and the only other difference here is like, can I make these background things slightly transparent without seeing double? No. So whatever, I just won't do that. At least it'll be on the screen for a shorter amount of time. And then I can set up gun 3, Right. What would gun 3 be? I guess like also shooting behind me could be interesting. I don't know. Or no, I can do kind of like a spread gun. Yeah. I also have to get the bullets to rotate, to set their rotation to be their direction. Something like that. To turn a direction into a rotation. Okay, so, or I guess I could just do it, I could do it based on the gun, but then like, I want to change the direction of the bullet. If it's a homing bullet, it moves around. I want to make it so that the rotation is constantly updating. Which, yeah, I have to do that at some point. So let's do 2 guns. I'll do 3 guns. So this one is, there's going to be a duplicate of gun 1-1. Actually, I'll have a duplicate of gun, these 2 guns. I guess. Yeah. I'll duplicate these. 3, 1. Right. Is there a way to like quickly rename something? Or no? Jeez. No, there's no keyboard shortcut for that. This is 3, 2. So that's actually all these guys should be 3, 3, 3, 3, 4. And the things with these guys are that it's also slightly higher, a little closer here, so 0.454, 0.454, right, but this one was where? 0.07 compared to 0. 0, so 0.07 higher, so 0.07 lower. This is around 2, somewhere around there. And then the rotation is going to be like 25 degrees or something small. Right, Z rotation, like 25 and negative 25. Or maybe this one should be 25. I'm not sure. Let's find out. So I gotta get to level 3 to do that. There we go. Okay, yeah, not bad. So the bullets are already being rotated correctly. Right, so I'm gonna grab one of these guys. Its rotation is kind of set based on the gun's rotation. And is that like the gun doing that? So when it instantiates the bullet, it just does quaternion identity, which I guess, I don't know, it uses the gun's rotation direction. Unless I did this already. Did I? That the bullet rotates? No. So that doesn't happen. I guess it's just because the rotation of the gun. Yeah, so that's actually kind of cool. It's interesting how the bullet shapes change if they're flying so slow. Right, my ship is actually faster than the bullets, it seems, in terms of this direction. Okay, so, having too much fun. What I want to do with that actually is tighten that just a little bit. These guys set at 25 and do something like maybe 18 and negative 18. There we go. Lame gun, slightly less lame gun, and awesome gun. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. So, you know what? Is that volume actually less? Just thinking about that now. Let me go to Load Manager. Where's that audio source coming from? Here, right? 125. Probably want to do something like 0.1, honestly. Or, I mean, this is at 16. I guess that's my volume. Will that make this quieter? It's not terrible. All right. So now that that's set up, landing in a ship will also do so. No, it doesn't have to. I already figured that out. Okay. But that does mean that if a ship doesn't have a level 2 gun, I will not be able to use it. That's why I have to do setup guns on entering ships. Because now that I have a different gun level when I land in the ship, then it has to set up the guns differently to that ship, right? So enter ship somewhere. I don't want to have that just that selected. Enter ship. Ship.destructible. Oh, it has the shooter there. So I can do that in game here. Right, so this is ship.shooter. I don't have to do that. Right, so current ship. And then I could just do this in one line now. Like that. Okay. So now let's make this not so ridiculous anymore. 0.2. 0.2. Yeah. For now. So then it'll be 5, and then 10, and then 15. Nice. And it would be trivial at this point to just say I want those bullets to look different now. That'd be as simple as just making a new bullet sprite and creating a new bullet prefab or something right here with a different sprite and just popping it on that different gun. Cool. Don't really want to do that. Alright, so what do I got? I got all the HUD stuff done. I got the power up bar, the health bar. It's pretty accurate. Let me try something. If I jump in a different ship, I should actually get a different health amount. Something that says that I'm at full health. Let me, so I got, oh, let me get hit here, right? So then I'm gonna jump out in this ship and now I'm at full health. Now I can get hit, right? And now I'm not at full health. Cool. Fantastic. Alright, what did I do? Did I accomplish what I wanted to accomplish here in this 1 hour, roughly? Player ship health, done. Ship power up gun level and the UI meter for that, done. Jetpack fuel for double jumping, didn't do it. Okay. Power up robot, land and roll, sound effects, nope. Okay, cool. So I got that stuff. Everything else is probably too big of an item right now. Great. Alrighty. Thanks for hanging out. Be back at it tomorrow probably. Catch you later.